What have we lost in the last 10 years without noticing?
What feels normal now that would have shocked your younger self?
When did life start feeling fast?
Hi, I'm Tanisha Sharma.
Hello, I'm Alicia.
And I'm Gabriella Nontadu. We're from Amity University, Kolkata, and we are here at the 49th International Kolkata Book Fair.
We are here to unravel the extraordinary thoughts.
Of ordinary people.
So what have we lost in the last 10 years without noticing?
I think we have lost decency, we have lost good parlance, language. I find like nowadays your young Gen Z, you speak such language I just can't digest. And I think we have lost tolerance, we have lost reading books also. That's the primary.
What feels normal now that would have shocked your younger self?
That would have shocked my younger self.
What feels just now normal?
ChatGPT.
Okay, yeah.
The things we do with ChatGPT or AI, the innovations, the rapid development of AI in this 2-3 years, last 2-3 years, it would have shocked the young self because using AI to do a certain assignment or a homework, that was not there when I was class 6 or 7. But right now, AI is almost like a daily routine. We have to use AI in perspectives of everything, everyday jobs. Even while cooking, we have to use ChatGPT. So that's a very thing that will shock my younger self. That is very normal. That feels very normal right now.
What's one topic people avoid talking about but really should?
Really should. Okay. It's generally about politics and sex. I think so.
Would you like to elaborate why?
Actually, we are know what's happening about politics, but we generally people want to confirm what is happening around him or her. General people fear to be against anything. One thing, and the same goes for sex also. They don't go with nature. Nature tells a different thing, but they fear to go or conform to nature. We know it's we have to tame wildness. We are obviously we are social animal. There must be a balance between social and the word social and the word animal. But sometimes, most of the time, the social somehow in some people social words highlighted. In some people, the animal words is highlighted. But people need to balance it. That's about humanity. That's about evolution. Okay, because we have come through a long road for the sex which is required for family, which is required for mental health and good rearing of a good human being. But it's not clear to everybody. That's why they deal with somehow differently. They avoid to talk about the real thing.
What do people give up just to fit in?
Why do you have to give up? You be your own self. Say, I'm an orthopedic surgeon.
Okay.
I'm a writer.
Okay.
My book is here.
Okay.
It's been published this year.
Okay.
I do a lot of things. You don't have to give up anything. Just go on with your life. As life comes, take life very simply, and you have to just play the ball. But that's all. You don't have to give up anything.
What's something everyone seems to love but you're honestly tired of?
Self-help books. I don't get the appeal at all. Yeah.
Can you elaborate on that?
I have looked at some of the OG self-help books, and it's just not my style. I do get that people love them, but it's just personally not something that I'm more a fiction person than anything.
Like Ikigai, that book?
Yeah, that though I don't even know how. Yeah, or like the subtle art of not giving a fuck. It's just a great cover. Apart from that, I don't know. Yeah.
When did life start feeling fast?
Actually, in my feeling, it's after COVID 2019. I feel life going very fast, especially 2025. The past year was very fast for me actually. So that's it. I think after college or when I am going into higher studies and all, so that's it.
When you realized life isn't fair, but you just accepted it.
Difficult question, but well, I mean, acceptance is a way of life, you see. But there would be moments, I believe, also when you put your foot down, and there are certain things you are unable to accept. Okay, and you must resist. You must also try and swim against the tide. I mean, if I may put it that way.
Okay, thank you very much.
If your life was a movie or a book, what would be the title of it and why?
Simple,
Simple. Why?
because I don't need any kind of complication. Like, life should be simple, just like a Tom and Jerry show.
What do you think secretly influences most of your decisions?
Reviews of others, like in social medias and in another browsers, we just like checks whether it is like efficient to go there or not, to buy this or not, to do this or not else. So like in the reviews only.
What's something about being independent that no one warned you about?
There are so many. Actually. You can spend money anytime, whatever you want, but no one warns about that, how to waste it, like how you can spend. Yeah, so it's a very one thing. The second thing is like there are so many actually. Like the savings, like no one told you about how to save actually.
Especially school.
Yeah.
So you have to figure all of that by yourself. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.